What's going on, you guys? It's Chris, the RV Pro, coming at you at our beautiful RV here in Nanaimo. I'm going to take a few minutes to walk you through the 2023 Valor. Let's check this out. So this is a 36V11 by Valor. This is a twin axle toy hauler, clocking in at pretty close to 40 feet. I think it's about 39.5 feet in total length. It has got all the latest tech and upgrades that you could want on a toy hauler. Things like a 5,500 watt genset. It's got inverter technology. Next door down low, pot of lithium batteries. Looks like an air compressor to the right. Big solar controller, solar charge controller. That is a 60 amp, which tells me there's all sorts of solar panels on the roof. Now let's get a look at the size of this thing as far as weight's concerned. So you get a gross vehicle weight rating of 16,950 pounds. Unloaded vehicle weight rating of 14,572 pounds. So this is a big girl. On either side of the unit, you've got twin 30-pound propane tanks. And behind here is your control panel for your auto leveler. So here's your water station with spray port. It allows you to winterize, set up where the water's flowing to. Nice equipment area. Now your hot water tank, if I can get in here quickly. Looks to be, that's a 12 US gallon unit. Underneath, everything's pretty simple. You got your levelers, you've got your exhaust port there for your generator. Nice big set of alloy wheels on here. Looks to be a 16-inch wheel size. Fuel station, dual tanks on here, and then your 50 amp connection. Now on the back side here is your ramp that actually also converts into a patio area, which is fantastic. Works as a deck. Up above, you've also got an additional rear awning. Pardon the highway noise behind me. So two awnings on this one, on either side of the slide out. You've got JBL speakers down low of campside, which is nice. A set of solid steps. A couple of notes here too. This guy built with Asdel. Always a good thing. Now Asdel, for that conversation, as I found out this week, oh listen to that, so much quieter. Asdel's used in the walls, on the inside, the outside, and in flooring on a lot of Alliance's product, which is really, really nice to have. So your entertainment area, look at that. So you'll need a stool to get up there, but lots of storage space above the TV. TV looks to be about a 50-inch unit. Stereo speakers down low with JBL sound system and a really nice sized electric fireplace. Just coming up the ladder, there's your bunk. Now this is, to me, is more of an attic and a storage area than it is a bunk. I'd probably take that mattress out and use it elsewhere, but it's just nice to have. So we'll explore the rest of this area a little bit more. So 4 recliners sitting across from the entertainment side. You do have a breakfast nook that folds up here, as you can see, with stools down below. The kitchen is actually nice and functional. It's got this large island, which is wonderful. So you got microwave, nice little 3-burner cooktop. Little bit larger oven than most, which is nice, and then just some faux storage down low. The refrigerator on here is a 12-volt affair, so 12-volt compressor only, but lots of space. And then for the freezer, it's down low, separate trays, nice and easy to get to everything, and everything sits securely. More storage up above. Size pantry as well, and then you have your coffee bar. Not really much storage up here, and I've actually told my rep at Alliance, this is kind of a dead space. This should go up to the higher area if they could just wire that in, and then leave this for lower cupboard space. So let's just check out the toy hauler area. So again, nice and insulated in here. They do a really good job with that nowadays. So So twin bunks, so these couches fold down into a bunk bed straight across, and then this upper one does go up into the ceiling and out of the way. Speaking of up above, more storage pockets, and then a TV opposite of that bunk room. Now behind door number one, you've got your controls, your thermostat, 2 dummy panels, and then washer dryer hookup, right? Nice and easy. With the utility connector right there. 2-piece bathroom. That's a nice touch. So if you're using this as a kid for a common area or just a wash up area, it's just, that's nice. You don't have to keep running across the trailer to get to the washroom, or at least to the main one. Now, quick note. So you'll notice place to put your shoes, and so far there's been no ventilation on the floor. So if you got pets in here, you don't have to worry about hair or whatnot in the main area. Porcelain toilets. A good sized residential shower, and then a vanity as well too. So a good amount of space. You can get ready in the morning and do your bit. So it's a Jack and Jill style bathroom, of course. I can't pan out large enough because this bed's so big, but that is a king size mattress. And then opposite of that is a closet with another washer dryer connector. So depending on which side of the unit you want to have that on, it gives you the flexibility. And then another little closet on this side and one on the opposite side as well. And just to show off the space a little bit more, your dresser, and then a TV up above. Now on either side of the bed, just zoom in here, you'll see a 110 power outlet and a dual USB for our charge station. And that's going to be on both sides. Now there's air conditioning in the main, central, and garage area. So that's 3 AC units working in conjunction. A little known trick on these, 2 AC units can actually run on 30 amps of power without causing issues. Just something that Alliance is super proud of. So nice thing to kind of throw in there. Good job on their part. And then up above there, you've got more speakers also by JBL. So I assume we'd have a really nice sound system on here. So I want to thank you for taking some time with me today just to have a quick walkthrough of this Alliance trailer. If you have any questions at all, please give me a buzz. I'll leave my phone number at the end of the video. Again, it's Chris, the RV Pro, signing off. You take care.